I, Dr. G. Dogra, right now working in Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management, Gwalior, and coordinator of this 3-day online workshop on research concepts for beginners, RCB 2020. So I'm feeling privileged to welcome today's chief guest of the function, Professor Chandrasekhar Malvi from the prestigious Madhav Institute of Technology and Science, Gwalior. Director IITTM, Professor Alok Sharma, is not present with us today due to the ongoing meetings with the Ministry of Tourism officials at New Delhi right now. But his wishes are always motivate us to achieve the higher milestone. Now I'm also welcoming Nodal Officer of IITTM Gwalior, Dr. Saurabh Dikshit, who is also the Chief Coordinator of RCB 2020. My senior colleague, Dr. Chandrasekhar Barua, the workshop co-coordinator, all the respected resource person, faculty and staff members, and most important, to all the participants. Just for the information, in this workshop, so total 37 participants had participated from across the country. And till now, their feedbacks are depicted the kind of knowledge enhancement these young learners had gained from this RCB 2020. So before going further, I'm honored to invite the Nodal Officer of IITTM Gwalior, Dr. Saurabh Dikshit, to formally welcome our today's chief guest, Professor Malvi, and also highlight the major activities of IITTM, specifically during this online era of interactions for knowledge sharing and dissemination. So I'm inviting the Nodal Officer IITTM Gwalior. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Jeet, for inviting me on behalf of IITTM. Honorable Chief Guest of this program, Professor Dr. Chandrasekhar Malviya sir, Honorable Professor Dr. Alok Sharma sir, Director IITTM, Dr. Chandrasekhar Barua ji, my colleague in IITTM, as well as course chairman MBA program, Dr. Jeet Dogra, coordinator of this program, and all my colleagues, and above all, participants participated in this course. First of all, on behalf of IITTM family is located at 8 places: Gwalior, Noida, Nellore, Bhubaneswar, Goa, and Director IITTM is also Director of IISM Gulmarg. So that is also like our family, extended family. First of all, from the core of my heart, we are thankful to Dr. Chandrasekhar Malviya sir. He is not only our chief guest today. Dr. Chandrasekhar Malviya sir, actually, he is a clinical man. He is a clinical professor. He has authored more than 30 research papers, articles. He has 3 patents in his credit. Dr. Malviya, he did research in UK. Then he extended his research capabilities as a professor in reputed, well-known MITS, Madhav Institute of Technology and Science. MITS is an institute which produced many learned people, like Director of IIT Delhi, many professors in Manik Bhopal, and Director in many other institutes across the country. Professor Chandrasekhar Malviya sir is always proactive. Why we are thankful to him, why we have invited him as a chief guest. Professor Malviya sir, as I told you, he has vast experience of doing research in engineering, science, and social science and art and literature. It's very rare that professors are having patents, and it's very rare that professors, they are doing research in engineering, research in science, having patents and writing poems also. So he is a man of expertise, multifaceted personality. He can do research in literature. He can measure attitude, feelings, logical things, as well as he can play with statistics, and above all, he can do experiments. So, sir, welcome in IITTM, and we all are ready. We all are
Thank you,
really
sir.
ready to listen your words of wisdom. Sir, you are audible.
Hello.
Sir,
You are audible. Sir.
you
You
have
are
to
audible.
unmute yourself.
So
Hello.
after that, now I'm feeling privileged to formally welcome and introduce our chief guest. Dr. Malvi is working as a professor in the mechanical engineering department, the prestigious Madhav Institute of Technology and Science, Gwalior. He's PE from SATI Vidisha and MTech from Manit Bhopal. He obtained PhD 20 in the year 2012 from University of Leeds, UK, and he's the recipient of MP Young Scientist Award 2004 for developing a domestic wind turbine. He's also recipient of Outstanding Young Person Award Gwalior, Best Teacher Award Gwalior Vikas Samiti, and other four awards. Dr. Malvi received various project grants from AICTE New Delhi, WUNFIRC Leeds UK, INUP IIT Bombay, SERB DST New Delhi, and Kolkata. In his 22 years of vast experience in teaching, administration, and research, he has authored about 50 journals, conference papers, and edited two proceedings and reviewed many journals while organizing many seminars, workshops, and conferences. Now, I'm inviting Professor Malvi to share his thoughts about the importance and understanding of basic research concepts, along with his academic and research experience. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Gigi, for nice introduction and already a very old acquaintance. Dikshit ji, thank you very much. Thank you, IITTM. And you are really, I appreciate that. I never expected that a tourism institution do something for the research as well. Generally, we are considering the research work for the science and technology people. But if the research is involved in such a nice, which is belonging to everyone, is really good thing. And it's a, I heard that UG and PG students are learning first time that how to do research in this thing. I don't know what was the content, but it's still impressed that research word was introduced for the UG and PG program in this thing. What I heard from the one very eminent person that tourism generally considered as a Paratan, but still there are two other names like Deshatan and Tirthatan. Whenever these things are started with Tirthatan, it means elders are going to do some pilgrimage, to do Tirthatan, very Vedic name. They might be knowing very well, better than me. Second thing, it means they are only going to pilgrimage. Other thing as Deshatan. Deshatan means what Gandhiji did after coming back from the UK and from the foreign, and they had a look for the all the country what is going on, what is their political background of this thing, and they can start their own journey for the fighting in the Independence Day. Second thing, if you go for the Yog Vasishtha, Yog Vasishtha is the conversation between Ram to his guru Vasishtha. Whenever when Ram was ready to take a charge of prince, like Yuvraj is a upadhi. So, but those whosoever going to become a Yuvraj over there, the compulsory education is there. You go for the industrial visit if you want to become an engineer. So, his guru Vasishtha order him, you go for Deshatam and take the what is the happening and what is their political, social, their transport, education. What is the other rules for the what is the actual conditions of their, so go and have a look and you feel the condition over there. These are Deshatam. So when he had a Deshatan of a whole Ayodhya kingdom, he came back and got depressed. And the depressed means तनाव या मानसिक परेशानी में आ गए, विषाद में चले गए, इसे बोलते हैं विषाद, अच्छा नाम है विषाद. He went for the depression and went to the Guru Vasisht that conditions are very poor and how I can serve the all people. This I can't, I don't know. Just guide me. At that time, Vasisht Guru told him many other teachings, and that thing that we do Deshatan to develop only these feelings. You are going to become a king. You should develop that type of feeling. The same thing I hope is happening for the researchers. What is the pilgrimage? How this a small tourism place, well researched and well and should be well conversed to the tourists, those who are coming over here. That is your duty, UG and PG students. This is the, I think this is the concept for the beginners to do research in particular tourist point or new tourist point. Here, I would like to add one technical thing here, because whatever you are doing these days, these are most of these days should be published and written well. If you're, because everyone is doing in their own language, so definitely you are going to learn a language as well. Like Chinese publish their own publications, and they're using their own research software as well. Well, I am the authorized advisor for Mendeley software. If you know, fantastic, they manage well. Citavi is for the German one, and Elsevier is publishing, they are publishing 18,000 journals. So generally, what is our bad habit? You just Google it. Or whatever other feed on the Google, that is only accessible to you. But a classified, a categorized research notes are available on the Mendeley and Wave of Science, or now it is called Wave of Knowledge. So this is my trip. Don't Google it. Go to Wave of Knowledge and use it. I hope the program is, you already told program was well, and I counted all the participants, those who this attended well, and I hope you will be implementing this in local site and other bigger tourism places. Thank you very much for inviting me. All the best to you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your advice and for your words of wisdoms, and the technical advice is also from the research field. Even in the last session, also we were talking about the Mendeley and the other softwares that may be useful for us for that specific research, search, and all that, because that is what we have to save our time and to somehow to land on what are about to when we are talking about our research objectives or the hypothesis. So thank you again so much, sir. You are always present and you always motivate us with these things. Now, as during the inaugural session, so all the resource persons were there except one of the resource person, Dr. Kamakshi Maheshwari. Right now, she is with us, so I'm also feeling privileged to invite Madam just to say a few words about the experience and about the workshop before going further. Over to you, ma'am. Kamakshi, ma'am. I think she's again busy somewhere else. Anyways, let's go further. And with these words, before going further, let's invite one or two participants so that they can also share their experience. So I'm inviting Aman. Aman is there. Aman, can you share your experience about this workshop?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. First of all, I want to thank my institute. I'm so privileged that I'm studying at IITM Gwalior, and I'm gaining a lot of knowledge and experience from there. Thank you so much, Jeet sir and other resource persons, Kamakshi ma'am. You all gave us very much knowledge. We were thinking that research is little boring and something else, but now after attending all the sessions, the 6 sessions, I can really say by my experience that it is very interesting, and if we can if we want to gain something, if we want to learn something, then it is very good for us to go for the research field. And I'm really thankful to Jeet sir, because he gave me a lot of chances also during our projects and assignments in the institute to learn a lot about the researchers. Thank you so much, sir. Once
Thank you, Oman, for your kind words. One more student, and then we'll proceed further because of the time shortage. So Vinaya is there. Vinaya, are you there? Can you share your
Yes,
experience?
sir.
Please,
Good
please go ahead.
evening. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. So, before joining this workshop, I actually had no knowledge about research or something. So, my main objective was to learn something new out of this research and research workshop. And actually, I was very, very beneficial. In very short span of 3 days, I really got to know the basic concepts of research, and yeah, it is really helpful, and it is like an add-on to every student. I feel every participant would have learned something new out of this workshop. And thank you, Dr. Jeet, and every resource person for being there and guiding us throughout these 3 days. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vinaya. All the very best. Now I think Dr. Kamakshi ma'am is there. Ma'am, are you there? Anyways, let's go further. I think ma'am is not there. So with these words, now I'm inviting the RCB 2020 workshop co-coordinator, Dr. Chandrasekhar Barua, who's also the assistant professor and chairman MBA TTM program, for presenting the formal vote of thanks. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much. अच्छा, कामाक्षी मैम आ चुकी हैं, डॉक्टर जी सर.
जी sir.
Sometime it gets disconnected. I'm so sorry you called out my name and I couldn't be there. Barwa sir, so sorry I interrupted you.
Please continue. Yes. We are waiting for you. Yes.
No, nothing at all. It was a wonderful experience. Congratulations to Jeet sir, to Barwa sir, to Saurabh sir, and to Director sir. And it was a wonderful experience, and I really enjoyed the session which was given to me yesterday. I could see the curiosity coming out from the participants, the questions coming out from the participants. And I always felt that the participants ask you question in two cases. Either they did not understood anything or they understood everything. So I'm taking the later one on my part, that they understood everything, so they asked questions. So it was a wonderful session yesterday, and I'm hoping to have many more sessions like this with these participants and with many more participants. So many congratulations and good wishes to all the participants.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your presence. And now, with this word, now I'm inviting Barua sir to please present the formally vote of thanks, sir.
Thank you very much, Dr. Jeet Dogra ji, coordinator of this interesting 3 days research concept for the beginner. The title, which was started day before on 28th of December, and today is the third day. That is the last day, means concluding time. So 30th of December, now we are very close to conclude this 3 days small workshop, I can say, especially for the beginners, because nowadays there is a very high need, because every organization, either they have marketing and research department, or you can say R&D, research and development. So nowadays, students, those who are pursuing their graduation program or post-graduation program, definitely they are studying one module related to the research subject. I think this small 3 days workshop, or you can say mini workshop, definitely benefit to all the participants, and they are able to understand the basic concept of research methodology. My expert colleagues, Dr. Saurabh Dikshit sir, Nodal Officer, IITTM Gwalior, he delivers session during this 3 day session. Dr. Ramesh Devraji, again, I'm just going to give you the again their names because you can remember. Dr. Ravindra Dogra, Dr. Kamakshi Maheshwari, who was just a few minutes before, she was on the screen, and the coordinator, Dr. Jeet Dogra ji, and Dr. Saurabh sir is the chief coordinator. And this is all possible, I can say, because it is because of Director IITTM Professor Alok Sharma sir. He especially deputed Dr. Jeet Dogra to organize, to finalize and give a final shape. So a special thanks to him. But today is a nice occasion that we have very senior faculty from Gwalior, famous, very old, ancient, you can say, MITS. I hope you all are familiar with this college, Madhav Institute of Technology and Science. So we have with us Professor Chandrasekhar Malvi sir. So a special thanks on behalf of the IITTM family, on behalf of all the participants who joined today, valedictization. I hope some of you read the newspaper, media also. So media also supported a lot, print and electronic media, and newspaper also, you know, like Swadesh and People Samachar, Dainik Bhaskar, they all give a very good coverage also. And also my special thanks to our IITTM social media coordinator, Mr. Mayank Dubey, who is also working very hard, and with the newspaper, he also circulated among entire tourism industry of India. So once again, thank you all, and definitely participant, they enjoyed these 3 days. You must have some notes also which will benefit your future career. Best of luck, all of you. And my again thanks to Dr. G. Dograji, who very nicely arranged, organized. And I'm also expecting in future also from Dr. G. Dogra sir, who will present you more advanced research workshop also. Thanks a lot, and my greetings for the coming new year. So happy new year to all of you. Brings in your life a lot of happiness, richness, and all success in your life. My regards to Professor Chandrasekhar Malvi sir once again. Thank you so much for your presence.
Thank you, Barua sir, and thank you to all the participants. So with that, we'll conclude with the valedictory ceremony and also conclude with this 3 days online research concepts for beginners RCB 2020. And I'm sure that all the participants, so they are eagerly waiting for the RCB 2021, and definitely we'll identify a few more areas. Like in this workshop, we had identified the areas like the basic research concepts like qualitative, quantitative, and then we talk about the literature review, how to do that literature review, and then we talk about the hypothesis, the propositions, then how to frame the hypothesis and all that, and then how to write a research paper report, and finally then in the last session we talk about the plagiarism and references. So these were the titles that we already had long discussions on that, and all the online lectures. So I'll send you very soon the link for that on the Google Drive, so that you can download and you can again go through it. And as well as your e-certificate, so we'll issue within 1 week's time, and that will be emailed to your respective email IDs with that. And thank you so much for your patience, for your participations. And I hope, because research is a journey, it's not a destination, and I hope you will continue to learn that. In place of that, I also send you the few book titles where you can read it and you can get benefited out of it. So with these words, as we are short of time there, with this word, so I'm signing off from here. Thank you, and Jai Hind and the Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management always give regards to you, and please support us with all kind of these kind of workshops and all that seminars. Thank you so much. See you soon.